Game-changing, unique AI-powered app transforms any website URL, your ideas, keywords, blogs, pages and e-com store into Android and iOS mobile app in less than 60 seconds. Automatically create and sell unlimited stunning mobile apps to hungry buyers in real estate, Airbnb, e-commerce, music, spas, entertainment, restaurants, daycares, old age homes, movies and hundreds of other niches. Create unlimited real Android and iOS mobile apps. Transform any website URL, your ideas, keywords, blogs, pages and e-com store into a fully functional stunning mobile apps. Built-in 1500 plus professional templates, create personal or business mobile apps for any niche using L. Publish your app on Google Play and Apple App Store in less than 60 seconds. Payment integration, accept payments in your app through PayPal, Stripe, Square, Paystack, Razorpay or cash in hand. Send push notifications to your app users and get up to 98% open rate. Send unlimited emails and SMS directly to your users. Add unlimited custom domains and subdomains without any restrictions. Built-in interactive elements to add coupon, loyalty program, CTA button, appointment, and event booking, countdown timer, user rating etc. to your app. Autoresponder integration to easily build your email list with responsive customer leads with instant connection to major autoresponders. Convert existing website URL into Android/iOS app. Built-in AL content generation to generate contents for different sections of your app. Built-in membership plan integration to create and manage subscription plans on your app. Say goodbye to the hassle of creating mobile apps on your own. Built-in app analytics integration to lets you track your app performance. Built-in free dedicated SSL encryption integration for secure data transmission on your app. Generate native Android and iOS apps. Built-in app monetization. E-commerce integration to add products with different variants and images on your mobile app. Lifetime access with no recurring monthly payments. Commercial license included, create and sell as many mobile apps as you want. Newbie-friendly, easy-to-use dashboard. Ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. Strictly limited for first 18 action takers, get instant access to MobiApp AI and unlock limited-time commercial license to provide red-hot services globally. Thousands of smart marketers and business owners are secretly creating and selling high-in-demand professional mobile apps in multiple niches and making huge profits. Choose from hundreds of built-in templates or start from scratch. Enter any website URL, keyword, e-com store, blog, or even a page and MobiAppAI integration will turn it into a professional mobile app. Publish your mobile apps, Google Play and Apple Store. Start profiting by selling professional mobile apps on Fiverr, Upwork and app stores, and to tons of businesses while earning $1,095 to $4,000 per app on complete autopilot. And that's all that is required to profit from MobiApp AI. Just follow these 3 easy steps and start creating unlimited professional mobile apps like never before. I was blown away by the ability to transform my ideas and keywords into a stunning mobile app in under 60 seconds. The efficiency and quality of the mobile app is next to none. The app offers over 1,500 plus jaw-dropping professional mobile app templates to choose from. This has made it easy for me to find the exact perfect fit for my portfolio, and the option to customize my app color and themes allowed me to display my brand's aesthetic perfectly. Most importantly, the built-in anti-threat cybersecurity protection technology ensures my app, client's app, and data are always protected. Thanks to MobiApp AI. As a digital marketer, creating compelling mobile apps is crucial due to emerging trends and the need to up my game and stay ahead of my competitors. That's where MobiApp AI, an innovative AI mobile app builder, comes in to transform my workflow. The ability to create an entire mobile app with just keywords and newbie-friendly dashboard makes MobiApp AI the best choice. This feature alone has saved me countless hours of work, allowing me to launch stunning mobile apps faster than I thought. Running a business online means wearing many hats, and frankly, app development is not one of my strengths, hence discovering MobiApp AI was a breakthrough. The app's intuitive design and AI-driven technology allowed me to craft professional apps for my business in less than a minute, without any prior app design knowledge. The app's cybersecurity features also blew me away, giving me confidence that my app is fully secured, and the ability to create and sell mobile apps as an additional revenue stream is a mouth-watering bonus. As a freelancer constantly on the lookout for innovative AI tools, MobiApp AI has been a game-changer for me. The ability to create an app for my clients with membership subscription plans and also add free and paid pages for app users in less than a minute is nothing short of revolutionary. Most importantly, the built-in anti-threat app cybersecurity protection gives my clients peace of mind, knowing their apps are safe from threats. Selling these secure, high-quality mobile apps on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork has significantly boosted my income, allowing me to earn up to $4,000 per project effortlessly. Automatically transform any website URL, your ideas, keywords, blogs, pages and e-com store into stunning Android and iOS mobile apps in less than 60 seconds. Generate highly advanced native mobile apps and upload them on different app stores like Google Play and Apple App Store. To easily make huge profits weekly, monthly, and annually on complete autopilot. Push notification to communicate and send mass message to all app users and get 98% open rate. It's your direct line to send updates, notice, promote any product, services, or affiliate offers. Newbie friendly, easy to use dashboard to create your desired app in any niche you want. This is so easy and basic that even a 7-year-old can easily create and launch mobile apps instantly. Seamless payment integration, accept payments in your app through PayPal, Stripe, Square, Paystack, Razorpay or cash in hand. Far secured, hassle-free, instant payments on your app. Built-in interactive elements to add coupon, loyalty program, CTA button, appointment, and event booking, countdown timer, user rating etc. to your app. Built-in email notification. To receive notification email for every purchase and subscription, invoices, payment notifications, appointment/event booking etc. Hence, the demand for MobiAppAI apps with built-in anti-threat cybersecurity protection technology is. With 6.3 billion mobile users in the world, people are using mobile apps every day for their daily tasks, planning, banking, business, shopping, event and appointment booking, utilities, entertainment and more. Therefore, as a business owner or marketer, if you haven't contemplated mobile app development, you are missing a lot of opportunities to grow your business. Because mobile apps make it easier for you to reach a wide range of customers, know their interests, and skyrocket your traffic and sales. In today's digital world, businesses need to keep up with emerging trends to stay ahead of their competitors. Artificial intelligence and mobile app has taken over the world by storm, dominating every corner of the online world. And to your surprise, the mobile app industry is not just thriving, it's exploding in growth like never before. Do you know that? Mobile app users make up 42% of Amazon mobile visitors. A growing number of Amazon fresh grocery teams are using artificial intelligence solutions to automate store shelf monitoring for fruits and vegetables. And that is one of the reasons why they are making millions of dollars every single year.